You know what they say, if your shift linkage doesn't clear the frame, just cut the frame out.
Perfect.
Now can we get that? Oh,
Yeah, probably.
come on, baby.
There it goes. Nice. So we've been digging into the quad here to weld up. You can see the hole in there.
There is. I see what happened.
Oh my god. Clear as day right now. So we just got to weld that. There's a tab on the backside that broke off.
It's just down there though. It's just that.
We got pretty lucky that no like dirt flew up in there.
Yeah. We must have caught it pretty quick.
Like it's pretty clean. So here it is.
Well, yeah. Look at the casting. It's just like a huge hole in it. Wow, that's the casting is just so poor. So that's how it comes out. That thing, it's like a spline slip yoke deal that just slips on and off. Flip her over. Let's take a closer look at that breakage.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we got it all cleaned up.
As good as it's gonna get anyway.
Yeah.
And then
The not ever used aluminum weld. It's dusty. Got to knock the dust off it. Okay, next thing on the list, gotta get this rear axle straightened out. So how we're gonna do it is cut the swing arm, give her a little tug, and it should, hopefully, and then we're gonna weld it back together. We noticed that what we were working on yesterday here, you can see we added some JB Weld because it was leaking gear oil still, even though we welded like that entire area up and on the inside, it still just had pinholes. So we filled it in with frickin' JB Weld.
that's definitely gonna go on YouTube if I say that.
In the winter!
Never mind. Never mind.
What?
Something to do with yellow snow.
Oh. It looks just better all around. It looks more square. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. The chain looks like it's going to be happier. Minty? Where is it?
Yeah, I got it.
That was awesome. I hit that doing a donut. Fucking tipped it right over.
That's not right.
We had the drone up, but we weren't recording, so we got the security camera footage of me being a ding dong. Dude, I Kitsmaned myself.
Full Kitsman right now.
I went full Kitsman. Oh, kadoosh.
So we fixed the quad, it works good. We might have broke it again. We might have broke the cameraman too. But we're gonna put the body on, take it down some trails. It's snowing right now, so hopefully we get some cool snow footage. So that's rendition 3 on the Barbie Jeep. We'll break it a couple more times. We'll be at rendition 10 in no time. By the end of winter, I'm sure. That's it for today. Thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you next time.
Tell them run it up. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up. Flex. Thumb down now. Check. No drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up.